Okeylah penonton, setelah berjalan-jalan sekeliling kata the National Museum of Qatar, I bump into this lovely restaurant right inside kata dalam museum ni. Saya selected, one dah pilih 3 what you call more or less main course and appetizer. And then kita ada juga 3 dessert. Bumbu jadi macam ni, kita ke kanji. Become part of their staple classic traditional dish. Macam kita makan kita punya bumbu Ashura, taste that. So ayam dia roll, nasi dia masak again, you know, with all the rempah-rempah, kan rasa bau cardamom, kulit kayu manis semua, very strong cinnamon flavor on that. Nak bandingkan, they look, you know, texture almost alike, tapi this one has spinach dia sekali, oats dia, and rice. Ni gandum je, tapi lamb. Antara dua ni I prefer what you call it, the mahbush chicken dia. So if you ever in Qatar, ya, balik Doha, jangan lupa ya, mencuba. These are all their kata classic signature traditional dish. And of course kalau ada masa, try and eat at this museum lah. Kalau kita di sini nak makan lunch apa, just order, ya, that's it. Pagi ni saya nak bawa anda semua ke Hinat Salma Farm. Now this farm is very famous in Doha. Kenapa? Mereka banyak kata mempromosikan tanam-tanaman dan juga ternakan-ternakan maupun buah-buahan terdiri daripada bahan-bahan yang orang kata betul-betul organic. So organic farming, and maka they want to encourage people to enjoy this sustainability, ecotourism, which is very popular these days. Kalau kita perhatikan here kan, mereka menanam bagai-bagai daripada jagung, coriander, pokok tumbuhan, the beetroots, kohlrabi, cabbages and all that. So everything is plowed back into the tanah, and of course it's organic. So naturally kan, they grow beautifully, and of course, you know, the flavors and taste. This is something where most chefs like me, it's a place made in heaven. Because you know, when you want to create something delicious, you have to fall back to nothing but the best, yeah? Not just taman-tanaman dan sayuran, but also animal farm as well. For you to make a successful eco-sustainability agriculture, so you not only have to understand about the plant, the soil, but also the insects and how they coexist and live and survive and between each other, and has not to kind of like destroy those plants, yeah? Tengok tu besar. Sometimes, you know, just the thing, if you look on the gun, sometimes certain vegetables, they might not look perfect. Okay, they're eaten by insects and stuff and all that, but when you actually cut open and taste them, oh my god, they are super delicious.
One thing I was talking about this one, if you go to the market and somebody tells you, okay, it's organic, and when you go to the field, you don't find some live insects there, then it's not organic.
People can come to this farm, they can eat at the restaurant, enjoy the food, and of course, you know, it is really a fabulous idea. And can you believe, nontonnya, this was initiated by currently now the Qatar ambassador to the United Kingdom. What's his name again?
Sheikh Fahd Al-Atiq.
Oh, so sorry, I just love the way that they pronounce Chef what?
Fahd Al-Atiq.
Ah, that's the one. Because we Asian, not to pronounce, because he's good with Arabic. He goes, it sounds like your body water. Okay, come on guys, come on. And chef hari ni akan menyediakan resipi rack of lamb with vegetable, chef, ya?
Yes.
So this farm menu all organic?
Yes.
Tengok depan tu ada small pool, and there's the living area where they sit and enjoy quiet moment with the family. It's part of a dining space as well, and a living area as well. So you can sit there, and it's nice. You can see a bit of all that better architecture Qatarian. Kan, they're trying to preserve, diorang punya heritage, all the Islamic values in terms of makanan and things as well. They're going back to the roots. Okay, today penonton ya, wonderful rack of lamb with all the organic vegetables. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
And I'm sure we all will enjoy it. Yes, thank you so much. Saya ketika ni penonton berada di Suwaki. Now Suwaki ni orang kata is one of the most orang kata very very significant touristic spot lah in Doha. So ni macam tempat orang beli benda lah. So you have all this alley behind here, macam-macam kedai ya. So nak beli apa sajalah, termasuk juga ya berbagai-bagai manisan daripada Qatar dijual dalam tu, kain baju, you name it, is all there. And the fact that it has this here more than 100 years ago. And dulu-dulu ni, this is where the Bedouin, orang daripada Pasir, they come here to shop. So bila kita masuk dari luar sejuk lah nak beli sabun ke, nak beli minyak wangi ke, it's all there. You can just walk slowly, take your time to stroll, and wander around. And don't forget, kat sini kita kena tawar-menawar. You must be good at bargain, So you're ready, apa kata kita masuk dalam and tengok the spice market. Assalamualaikum.
Me.
Me. Kalau kita perhatikan macam-macam we have all sorts of carpet weaving lah, gold, tapestry, woodwork just buat anything, tikam, kuang pun ada, masuk buluh. Wah, bag merotok. Tengok tu, ni bagus beli ni, boleh kurung kucing kan sebelah ekor dah kena akal kan, masukkan jackpack dalam ni.
Yeah, welcome. How are you?
Thank you.
Welcome. How are you? Welcome to Alaska.
How are you? Okay, kalau perhatikan this is some of the street food lah. Diorang pun ada jual street food. Okey penonton, sekiranya kita berjalan di Suwaki, kita pasti jumpa kedai jual pelbagai-bagai rempah racun. Contoh ada yang untuk masak biryani kat sini Dia bagi sini apa, Hamsa biryani, sampai ke rempah-rempah tanduri pun ada kat sini Of course, all very typical rempah masak dalam Middle Eastern bukan saja untuk orang Qatar saja, tapi the whole of the Middle East. Ada hitam, coriander, ada cardamom, cinnamon, turmeric, tamarind. Macam nama kucing I pula. Any spices for masala?
This is a spicy Qatari masala. This is Islamic spices. This is all no spices. No
spices. No. Okay. Masala. Tak ada masalah.
Masala Hindi.
Masalah Hindi.
This is
Melayu ada masalah.
What guys?
Very nice.
What is this? My shit. You want to
Yeah, for you.
You want it?
Yeah. Beef soup.
This is beef.
Yes, it's beef. Thank you, besar. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best, Haja. Alhamdulillah.